Hello. So here we have an Ahss 9mm pistol made in Turkey. I'll show you right now. Comes with cleaning brushes, back straps, pistol itself. Let's make sure the firearm is clear. It is. Always be safe. Okay. It takes, I believe, ZZ 75 magazines. So, yeah, it's pretty nice. There you go. First thing we're gonna do is weigh it. As I take the manual and all the stuff that comes with it, show you. We got the lock. And the firearm weighs 1 pound 10 ounces or 26.5. Let's throw in the magazine on there, 29.5 ounces, 838 grams or 1 pound 13 ounces. So yeah, I shot it. I'm going to show you the range video here soon. Here's the manual. It's a very nice color manual. So if you get this firearm, there you go. Yeah, pretty nice. Let's do the trigger real quick. So right here, break, reset, break. Firearm should be very fast. Reset, break. Then you got a cocked indicator right here. There you go. Okay, now let's do the trigger weight on it. Let's see right here. £5. Let's do one more. .12. So we're getting about 4.14 ounces. There's some field strip. Oh, and it does have a manual safety right here as ambidextrous, so for lefties. Mag release is not, so let's see real quick here. Yeah, has positive ejection. Field strip real quick. This one you rotate downwards and that's the trigger. There you got a dual recoil spring. That explains the soft recoil that it has. Polished feed ramp right here. And yeah, I mean, put it all back together. There you got the machining. There you got the rails. They're beefy rails right here. Put it all together. Just put the barrel back in. Recoil spring like so. And just slide it back. Lock back. Lever back to the position. There you go. Firearm is back together. Here you can see the sight picture. And they're all like kind of green sight, green dots. So yeah, take another look around and I'll be showing you the range video. Takes ZZ 75 magazines, made in Turkey. Ahss FXS9. Alright, range video coming up. Cool. X9 American Tactical.
Yeah, I'm not sure. You know more about those? I'd be like, here I'm. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. Yeah, it's sluggish. I think your recoil is not strong enough. Yeah. Unload it, take 5, turn it down, throw it down. It's an old powder. Really good. But I was like, I was for Creek Water. Find a stable low. 223. What bullets you got? They got them on film for 2004, 174,
Clear.
I told you, right? Gee, we're on these. Actually, both. He also has. Mine's very good, right? But, I'll tell you what.